Hey guys, so these two paintings I did off camera, away from the pressure to perform and as part of my bloom experiment. And today we are going to do another one. So here is my base paint, house paint. And drizzle of Mars black. Cadmium yellow, medium hue. I'm just gonna make a circle here. Some more. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and if not, I have brought you a little pick-me-up today, and hope it makes your day a little better. This is a custom made color that I made using fluorescent red with a bit of deep magenta. I think it looks beautiful. Permanent sky blue. All the colors are by Liquitex Basics with pouring medium. The pouring medium that I used is by Montmartre. All the products that I have used are in the description. Make sure you check them out. I'm going to add a little black here. It's always a good idea to use black. Today I'm not going to use any cell activator. Today's experimentation is just with house paint, and I have had some good success with it. Let's see how this one turns out. Cells are forming. A bit slow, but they are there. Look at the line of tiny cells like you can see between black and yellow. Lines of cells, tiny cells. Okay, this is pretty good. Let it come back. Looks promising. Oh wow, cells look really good here. Oh, look at the lacing. This is a good alternative. slow and the cells are very tiny. And this is a good alternative. It's forming. I'm waiting for the paint to glide back so the cells become more prominent. There they are. Underneath there's some blue. The blue just went away. Let's give it a spin. All the black has just gone towards the corner, but I like the pop of yellow there. I can see some red, just a streak of red there. Oh, I love that. The lacing looks quite good. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video. It means a lot. It will help me grow and I appreciate it very much. There's a little something in there. It looks good. Let's look at it closely. Definitely good. I think it's a success. The lacing is looking great. The colors are looking great. Although the red and sky blue disappeared, but this is giving a very minimalist kind of vibe here. Tell me what you think. Here is the dried result. The lacings held onto each other quite well. I love this. Very soft and minimalistic.